made it there. I know it's been a minute. So we've been back in the hospital. She's been in the hospital about 2 weeks now. She keep getting the port infected, the Dallas port. Look like every 6 weeks, that port get infected. As soon as we take her to the emergency room, she's running a fever. Her stomach is in knots, so we know we're gonna be there. So we've been there this week, like 2 weeks. She had a rough time going. But we out now. She's a tough girl. She's a fighter. My God. So she wanted some, she wants some red lobster. I'm like, girl, no, because you can't have that phosphorus and stuff. So I read some of those ingredients. So I went and got her some cod fillet from the Swan truck. You know, comes in this individual package, which is nice. And so I cooked it in my air fryer over there. And as you can see, you know, I have to chop it up. I chop it up after I cook it and put some lemon pepper on it. And I made some sweet potato. Since I didn't have any marshmallows this time, I used some brown sugar. So she's gonna eat that. That'd be good. So I got 2 of those. And so then she's like, oh, got some barbecue, something barbecue. So, you know, I buy a whole big thing of chicken breast because chicken breast is what she can eat. So gotta chop that up too. So I decided to chop it up, and I chopped it up just like this, and I added, once I chopped it up, I put it sweet brown sugar. That was good. I shook it up in this little thing, and it comes out like this. Oh my God, this is so good. I mean, I ate me a lot of it. It's great. So that was good. And then I decided to give her some teriyaki ones, some different flavor. So I did the same thing to that. I shook it up in there, put it in my air fryer. I think I cooked and chopped it up. Great. And now she got her little vegetables, green beans, and potatoes for that. So, you know. Then I made her some shell noodles, because I'm giving her something else, and put some chicken in there, you know, a little broth. Gotta give her a little broth. So all of this is just nothing artificial in here. Just the noodles, the chicken, and some chicken broth that give it some flavor so she can eat. So that's gonna be her meals for the week. So, you know, I've been under the weather. Being up there at the hospital and gave me that stuff. You know, I don't want to say the name of it, but you know, I got it, and I've been isolated for about 10 days now. I'm ready to get out of here. But anyway, I'm 100% better, and hey, just keep us in prayer. We're gonna get through this. It's gonna be tough.